Eva Trades.
Hello, welcome to Eva Trades. It's Wednesday morning. We're going to go look at the stock market. Let's go. So, hi, my name is Josh, and I am your host. And I will be trading live today when the bell rings at 6:30, which is in about 13 minutes. What you're looking at in front of you right now is my profit and loss chart. Each day here represents, or each candle here represents 1 day of profit or 1 day of profit loss in my phase 4 of my road to $1 million. So yesterday, not a bad green day. The day before that, really nice green day, as I'm working my way up towards $42,000 to finish phase 4. And after that, I'll move on to phase 5, where my profits double. And something's bugging me here. I really just want to change this because this is supposed to be 42,000. There we go. Got that fixed. All right, so first thing I want to do is go take a look at what is gapping up this morning. And this is a look at the gap scan. It's the Trade Ideas Gap Scanner, and our leading gapper is up 35%. We're not seeing the kind of price action that we saw yesterday pre-market with stocks like SLNO and IMBT. We saw some pretty good moves yesterday, but I'm sure we'll find something good to trade. We always do here at Eva Trades. So, leading gapper, NYC, up 35%, really light on volume, but it has a good float and it has news. And so I've got it on my watch list. We'll break that down in a second. CRDF is the second leading gapper. It's a little on the cheap side, but it has some pretty good volume. I'm not completely thrilled about the chart pattern, but we'll take a look at that one as well. So those are the only two stocks on the gap scan that look somewhat decent. We could take a look at these others. Good morning, Andrew. I hope your morning is going well so far. Maybe not as good as yesterday morning pre-market. Word is that you killed it. So let me see. So SOUN, no, I don't really like SOUN. Larger time frame is okay. I don't like this kind of price action that you see here. Really light volume, and so I'll pass on that. It's a larger float too. BLNK, yeah, I just don't like what I see there. So I'm going to pass on that one. CLSK, it kind of looks good on a larger time frame, but I'm again, it's kind of pricey and really low on volume. I mean, I guess, it made those moves yesterday. Maybe I'll put it up on my second screen over here and just keep an eye on it just in case it decides to continue today, because we did see some good moves on it yesterday. So who knows, right? And CLSK, oh, that's the one I just clicked on. They swapped places on me here. Okay, IMVT, that was the one from yesterday. CLSK is a no. So those are the stocks on the gap scan. And LCID made a move here at 603. It's actually kind of, we could keep an eye on that, I guess. Doesn't have very big candle ranges. Volume is okay. I don't know, maybe. It's got a larger float, 854 million in the float. But I guess so. Main screen over here, I'll put LCID just because I don't know what else to look at. And it is actually on the bullish side of things. It's trading above the volume weighted average price. So that's it. NYC, CRDF, LCID. And then over here on my other screen, I'm going to watch the two stocks that were making moves yesterday, SLNO and IMVT. I just have them there just to kind of glance over once in a while and see if maybe something's happening with them. You never know. So NYC, I'll start by looking at my larger time frames. The hourly time frame, inside bar. Okay, hourly time frame on CRDF here is consolidating. We found support down here in the EMA, and now it's trying to bounce. We'll see if we can get a bounce underway. We have resistance way up here at 265 and 234, and support down at $1.81. Okay, and LCID, of course, the only one that's, well, not the only one, but it's the one that's most recently breaking out here. And we have a little level there, support down there. So that's the hourly time frames. On the 15-minute, looks like here we had an inside bar, little bear break there. So looking to see if we can get up over these levels here. We'll look at these on the 5-minute time frame in a second. CRDF, so it's a 15-minute downtrend, and looking here to try to change that 15-minute downtrend into an uptrend with a higher high, higher low, and higher high, something like that. I don't know, we shall see. I'm going to be looking for a place where maybe I can buy off of a support level when the bell rings. LCID, okay, nothing really else to mark out here on the 15-minute. Quick look at the daily time frames. So LCID is trading up here. Nice breakout on LCID on the daily. Got a level up here that we might come up against. And then this one, there are your pre-market levels this morning. This one had made a pretty good move a while back there, trading above the 200 moving average. That's always a good thing. And this one, we're trading at around 895, so up in this area. Maybe. We got resistance up here at 960. All right, so I'll go to the smaller time frames now. This is the 5-minute, and you can see we are starting to break out here. Look at this. Look at this tightening range. I'll draw some lines. Why not? This is kind of an outside bar here. You could say that's a little pullback and higher low, but yeah, there's your up and downs, you know, and now another up. Do we break out from there? Just a consolidation, looking for our breakout. It's a little cleaner when you look at it on the 15-minute, which we just did. So yeah, got a little higher low here, now looking for that move up. So with 5 minutes to go on this 5-minute time frame, there could be a trade here first thing. We have a support down here at 841 and at 836 and down here. So lots of support, and down here. All right, so lots of areas that we could bounce from if we lose 841. Trading below the volume weighted average price. So if we don't break through this area before the bell rings, I might look to get in this on a pullback down to this support area of 850. Resistance is up at 925, 955, and 1045. All right, so there's the breakdown on that one. This one here, looking to get that bounce going on the hourly time frame. So right now it's a 5-minute uptrend. I don't think that I'll trade this out the gate. I think I'm going to wait on this one and see what it's going to do. Maybe. But I'll mark a couple of support levels. We have that one already. At 181, I want to see us get over $2.01. I think there was a daily level there, I believe, if I remember right up here, 202. LCID 5-minute time frame. We don't have a 5-minute uptrend anymore, but we do have the volume weighted average price there. We'll see what this looks like when we get closer to the bell. I'll put a line right here at 9:45 and a support down here. All right, so there we go. Set up my candle ranges real quick. And I think we have a little bit of time. I want to see what the market is doing. So I'll take a look here at SPY just real quick. Monthly time frame, we know we're consolidating. I'm going to put a level here as a possible place to pull back to. In the overall market, we're looking for that monthly high or low. Daily time frame, our weekly time frame, it is a weekly downtrend with nice follow through for the bears. So we're also looking for where we're going to bounce on that weekly. Daily time frame, we have not bounced in several days. We are due for a bounce. We're down here at the 200 moving average. RSI is just about oversold. So it's very possible that we see a bounce today. That 4-hour time frame, just a downtrend using the EMAs as our guide on the way down. The hourly time frame, we are due for a bounce on that as well. But this doesn't show pre-market price action, and we're trading up in this area, so we have bounced. But what we want to see is that hourly trend change back to the bulls to know that our daily low is set, and then we'll start to see maybe that daily bounce get underway. Okay, so today could be a day where we see some stocks pop up on the scans if the market does decide to bounce. Yeah. And if it doesn't, then I might bounce. I don't know. I'm here for the long haul. Stick around for a while. Pulling back pretty good here on NYC. I don't know. Because when the bell rings, we're going to have a 15-minute candle with an upper wick that tried to break out over this level and failed. So if that's what it looks like at the open, I don't know that I want to go long on that right away. So I'm changing my mind, I think, on that one for now. We have about 30 seconds to go. And I might try CRDF. Nice consolidation here on the 1 minute. I might try it for a bounce and a move back up through 201. And LCID is a wait for me. We didn't go over SLNO and IMVT, but IMVT is actually breaking out. First thing, there might be a trade on IMVT. See that? We're here. So here we go. The market is now open. IMVT, for some reason, my stop loss was way too tight. I thought I had it. I got to change that. I took a trade on it first thing. I'm waiting for my order to set up here, and then I'm going to jump in it. IMVT. Let's see if I take big losses on this right away. That's a pretty good pullback. Trying to see if we'll bounce off the volume weighted average price on that. But I don't know. I'll hold it for a little bit. I took that first loss. That was a $100 loss right away. SLNO trying to do something there. I just don't want to take more losses on it. I'm down 135. I'm going to just wait. And if it's going to do something, I'm going to let it do it first. We'll see if it breaks through that high. And then if it does, I'll come back to it. Let's go take a look at what the leading gappers are doing. Nothing. Oh, yeah, the volume's light. Wow. So, yeah, nothing to trade there. Oops. Oh, I didn't have it scrolled over. So I did miss a trade on this. market itself is bouncing. Yeah, that was too bad on IMVT. I didn't realize my stop loss was set up so tight. And when I got in it, my stop loss was way too close and I took a $100 loss right away. And then I tried to buy it as we pulled back into this area, and then it just dropped below it. So I don't know. Should I take a chance here? I got in that because we're back up above the volume weighted average price, and see if we make a move up through 42.75. So that 1 minute candle is about to close. Sell half of it there as we break through the high. Put my stop loss down somewhere at the low down here, I guess. There we go. I'm watching that larger time frame. I remember on this one yesterday, I had to have a little patience with it to get going. So now that 1 minute candle is about to close. I'm just gonna sell it. Oh, it's it took a while to sell there. And I'll buy it right there off the volume weighted average price. And there, I'm just gonna sell it again. So now I'm only down 53, taking quick profits on it. And here we go, coming back up towards the high. Taking a look at our leading gappers this morning, kind of ugly. Kind of really ugly. Nothing there that I'm interested in. I'm actually going to put IMVT right here on the main screen. Big old red outside bar on that 5 minute time frame. I'll buy it, buy it for the break through the high here. We'll see. Sold half. Probably should have held it. Nice move. Pulling back. I want to see a little more of a pullback to add back to it. I should put my stop loss in somewhere down there. Move it up a little more. I'll add to it there. The 1 minute candle is about to close. I don't like that, so I'm going to just get out of it. I'm only down 25 now. DNA is hitting the scan. DNA actually has some volume, really large float. I'm in CRDF here. And IMVT. IMVT trying to do something more. Just don't like how long it's taking. I'm going to get back out. And CRDF failed. So basically break even on CRDF. Well, maybe it didn't fail. There comes IMVT, giving us that little pullback. I bought this one here off of the volume weighted average price. I got in it here, held for the pullback, added on the volume weighted average price. I'm also in this one over here. Sold half of that. DNA is a little tricky. Not DNA, but CRDF. I'm in IMVT over there. Watching CRDF here. Don't want it to drop down on me. Here goes IMT. Having a hard time watching two stocks at once, so I sold a CRDF. I'm just going to watch IMVT here. Looking for the break through the high. There it is, kind of. Sold a part of it. I'm in it 3 times. I was in it 3 times. I'm going to sell another part of it, and then I'll put my stop loss down here at 42.30. The question is, can we get through 43.20, 43.23? Will this be an equilibrium? So it's a 5-minute inside bar. Watching for the pullback here on IMVT. CRDF is also really tempting. There's the pullback on IMVT. Pull back a little too far. I'm going to get back out of it. So now it's up to CRDF to try to get me to green here on the day. Looking for that 1 minute higher low and higher high up to the volume weighted average price. Take some patience on this one. I'm back out. Oh, tough day. The market's bouncing. CRDF dropping down to that support, so I'm jumping in at one time there. Back out of it. Watching IMVT here for that move. Is IMVT gonna break? And now we have a new 5-minute candle. We actually have a halt today too. Pixie is halted. Good old Pixie. I remember that one from a while ago. IMVT with a multiple tops here at $43. Look at NYC there. Oh, I wasn't watching IMVT. Dang it. I missed the trade on it. Oh, I was looking away. No. But that looks pretty strong, right? So I hope this doesn't pull back down to this level, because that will stop me out. But I wouldn't be surprised if it does. $43, pretty strong level. Just going to hold it for a little bit, see what kind of follow through we get. Nice move over there on NYC. I'm just going to go ahead and flatten my position there. So I'm green now on IMVT. I was red the whole morning and finally got back to green on it. Very quiet in here this morning. I'm not saying much. I'm just really concentrating and focused. The market is in a tightening pattern right now on the 1 minute time frame. Inside bars on the 5 minute. So if we pull back on IMVT, a good level would be this level down here. But it might just decide to go. So I'll get into it, see if it will go. And I'm back out. I'm gonna wait. All right, Andrew. I hope you made some money. I'm red right now, so I'm gonna try to bounce back here. But yeah, this is very, very tough. I'm way over trading. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Let's hope for some better action tomorrow, huh? Take care of yourself. That's a bummer. I'm sorry, man. Well, maybe you'll have better luck tomorrow. That sucks when that happens. Well, IMVT consolidated there, so now I'm buying it for the break through the high. Let's see if we get it. I do like this little pattern here on CRDF. I'm going to buy it one time. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, whoops. So their IMVT pulled back a little more to the EMA, and that's why I'm getting in it. Yep. Still pulling back there. I don't like that. Okay, consolidating on the 5-minute time frame now. I'm waiting for that move down to 43.23 to try to see if I can get back to green on IMVT. Oh, that big wick. Well, I didn't get a chance to buy it. I'm going to trade over here on SLNO, making $152 there on that. I bought this as we pulled back right here to the EMA. Made a nice move up. So back over here to IMVT now. So what I'm looking for on IMVT is that 5-minute higher low and higher high. Also in a trade again over here, looking for a 1-minute higher low and higher high. I bought it down here off of this support. Okay, let's see if we can get over $25 again and up over this high. By that little pullback there. Ooh. It is having a very hard time doing it, isn't it? Back over here to IMVT. Still waiting for that breakout to happen. Let's watch SLNO. It looks like it wants to drop down further. Yep, there we go. So stopped out there. I'm going to buy it again off the volume weighted average price and see if we get our bounce from there. Meanwhile, IMVT still trying to get above 44.01. So the stock market itself looks like it's dropping a little bit right now. Hourly time frame. IMVT keeps trying here. So there's the break. Nice follow through. So far. Whole lot of waiting today. This isn't normal for me. I usually would have quit by now, but I'm just kind of showing some patience here. I know IMVT seems to take a while to get going. That was a nice little pullback. CRDF, I'll get rid of that one. Not really interested in it. NYC, yeah, get rid of that one too. I'm going to move my stop losses up on INVT. I'm going to flatten that position out. So I'm going to stop trading today because I'm already way in the red and it's not a good idea for me to keep trading. I keep trying and it's just not working. So it's time to throw in the towel. You got to know when to stop. And I really probably should have stopped a while ago, but kept thinking that, you know, maybe I could get back to green. SLNO here, I was green on it for a while, but then took losses here on this pullback. I was really looking for this continuation on this breakout, but I went from being up 200 to being down 300. So big swings on the day today. So yeah, it's time for me to end the live stream and try to come back tomorrow and maybe have some better luck. It's been a really tricky day. Sometimes that just happens. So I'll see you next time here at EVA Trades. Thanks for watching. It's been very long and boring, I'm sure, but I'll try to do better tomorrow. Bye-bye.